Sabo. Yan po yung referee appeal.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Super Bowl first conference for 2015. The winner in our first game, SAF against ABC. SAF winning 55-49. Our players of the game, Mr. Jeff Lagondino and Mr. Fel Basadre. Jeff Lagondino scoring 12 points, 11 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 steals with 4 block shots. Mr. Fel, Mr. D, 8 points, 11 assists, 6 rebounds, 3 steals with 2 blocks. Oh, di ba? Ano masasabi mo mga teammates ko?
Well, hard work lang.
Thank you very much, Mr. Fel. How about you, Mr. Jeff?
Ganda yung depensa natin. Yun lang.
Ganda yung depensa namin ngayon. Ito po yung mga kasama ko sa second five. Napakagaling po nitong mga player. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Keep tuning in to Super Bowl Basketball. Thank you.